Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. It is 29th of May. We're gonna end this month 10:55 right now, and I'm recording this a bit late because the trade is already done and we have booked around 3,900. Let me refresh the page first. So which is 47 to 48% of the returns on the capital. As we know, Alice Blue provides this tremendous margin. I don't have any referral link. You can just Google it out and join Alice Blue. They are awesome, but you also have consequences that they have a lot of charges for it per trade. Let me just show you my funds. So my funds were 11k, now it's 3.5, right? Like the profit was 3.9. How much is that? 400 rupee of taxes. And that is the reason I don't keep much capital here, because I don't want to come into emotions and trade more and lose more if I go into losses and at the same time get more taxes. So here is a quick tip for you guys. If when it comes to trading, two things are the most important thing. Okay, the first thing is the skill, the second thing is the mentality, right? And it is very hard to conquer the mentality. Skill is something that you learn with experience, with practice. That is not a hard task. Conquering your mentality, which you're being used to from the day you're born, is the hardest part, right? So when you can't conquer your mentality, make your situations in such a way that you have to do it. I'll give you one more example. I'll also communicate in Hindi that मान लो अगर एक फौजी आर्मी में रहता है, तो वो फौजी का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बन जाता है कि उस सिचुएशन के हिसाब से वो यूज हो जाता है. He get used to that situation. ऐसा नहीं है कि he is very determined. That can be possible, but the situation makes a person stronger, right? So that's the reason. Here is a very quick tip. If you can't maintain your mentality and if you can't stick to that, keep less capital. It's been years I've been trading. I follow this method every single time. I will, even if I know I'm strong with the mentality, I can trade only with 2 lots in Bank Nifty, but still I keep a limited capital, so that you don't come into emotions, right? So that was a quick morning tip for you guys. Let's go on to the video. Today we booked 3.9, so the logic behind that is very simple. For that we'll have to go with spot Bank Nifty. I'll be a bit quick in explaining. As we know that this rally has been happening from quite 2 days, 2 to 3 days, and after a good dip, after a good dip in Nifty and Bank Nifty, we are seeing some up movement. Now, point to understand here is, guys, go to your 1 hour for an example. Go to your 1 hour time frame. Now in 1 hour time frame, you see this dip and this raise. That is what I'm speaking about. Now go to your fib retracement tool and start measuring this. What do you see over here? You see that the fall has happened and there had to be a retracement, obviously. Now if you look properly, the 50% retracement is broken already. Okay, it's broken and it's raising. What do you mean by that? When if the market retraces till 50%, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि healthy retracement हो रहा है. उससे ऊपर retrace करता है तो इसका मतलब है कि trend change हो गया है. इस situation में 50% से ऊपर move हुआ है, so it's a trend change. And then market is going up. इधर retracement फिर से दिख रहा है, market ऊपर की तरफ movement दे रहा है. आगे क्या होगा, that is not our concern. आगे जो भी होगा हम अपने हिसाब से trade लेंगे और market के हिसाब से trade लेंगे. Now this, go back to your 15 minutes. Over here you have 1 minute, over here you have 15. Okay, अभी in 15 what you can see, market open तो gap down हुआ है, and global market मैंने check किया 35 points negative है SGX Nifty. So what does that mean? Can we expect negative movement? Yes, because international is negative, but India में क्या हो रहा है? It is a good raise. Okay, gap down हुआ and then gap down को gap fill करने के लिए पूरा cover हुआ. Now strategy is simple. This is actually pure price action strategy. Go to your trend line, just draw a valid trend line, guys, over here. Just draw valid trend line here. ये एक पहला trend line हो सकता है. To make it simpler, you can draw another one. This is called a dynamic trend line. Okay, this concept जिसमें you combine two trend lines to form one. It's called a dynamic trend line. Now, as you can see, the price reflected back because it was the support, and then when the price came back to your third, again it got reflected. Now, usually the best trades, okay, the best trade happens in the third fluctuation, because first and the second is to help you understand the situation, and the third is to push it the best way possible. Now, when this was pushed, my entry was at 10:38, and we took out at 10:41. How much is that? Hardly like 3-4 minutes, right? 3-4 minutes. So go to your portfolio and go to your trade. I've traded in 2 lots. My entry price was 1921, and exit was 120. It is 100 points, 99 points to be precise. So 19,021, right? Let's mark it. Over here, that comes somewhere here, and then the exit was at 120 over. Guys, if you're booking 100 points in Bank Nifty, it's enough, guys. Don't go for more points. Literally don't do that, because it's not worth staying for more in Bank Nifty, because the fluctuations are really bad. Okay, you have to take advantage of the spike. Now I took the advantage of the spike. Now from here, as the third push came, I was waiting for some positive moment to break the previous high. What was the previous high? This was the previous high. But the fluctuations were really very high at that moment. You see that in 1 minute itself, you could see that fluctuation. So it was simple. I took a trade, but I was maybe a second or 2 seconds late. It went up. I got an entry here. I had to book my target. I usually keep a target of 80 points. If I'm booking 100, that's the last I do. So the price fluctuated. I waited till my 80 points. Which comes at 100. Okay, this was my 80 points. Now when it came to my 80 points, I can see that positive movement is still there. So I waited for 100 points, second target hit, and I'm out of the trade. The market went till 200, guys, which is 180 points to capture. I could have got it, but no, I am very strict with my rules, so this is what I follow. And then when the market hit my target, I'm out of the trade. So this is a very simple price action strategy. Understand the trend. Okay, now as I showed you in 1 hour time frame, the entire U trend over here, this one, I give you another small example. Okay? This is for daily basis. Let me remove this. एक सिंपल फंडा ये होता है मार्केट का, अगर दिन का कुछ ट्रेंड स्टार्ट होता है, देखिए अगर आप इंट्राडे ट्रेडर बनना चाहते हो, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप दिन का ही देखो पूरा. यू हैव टू एनालाइज कि पिछले दिनों में भी क्या हुआ है और आज कैसे रिएक्ट हो सकता है. ओके, इसके लिए डेली एनालिसिस के लिए एक तो डेली एनालिसिस के लिए व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज go to your fib tool, mark कहाँ से मार्केट शुरू हुआ, कहाँ से एंड हुआ. ओके, पहला what do you say, a reversal, a minor reversal. Okay, market fell, minor reversal. You see this now at this point. When you mark the fib tool, you can see that 50% is healthy retracement, which I've told you. Market fell, 50% तक रेज हुआ, इधर से गिरेगा, that means it is in a down trend. Okay, इधर से मार्केट गिरेगा, स्टार्ट होके इधर से मार्केट 50% से गिरेगा, that means it's a down trend. Now मार्केट ने प्रीवियस हाई को ब्रेक किया, नहीं किया, तो इसका मतलब क्या है? इट वाज इन अ डाउन ट्रेंड, बट द बायर्स केम इनटू पोजीशन एट द लो पे हमेशा बायर्स ही आते हैं, लो पे कोई सेलर आता नहीं है. टॉप पे हमेशा सेलर्स आते हैं, टॉप में कोई बायर्स आता नहीं है. ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ लीजिए आप. अगर मोमेंटम फास्ट है तभी कुछ हो सकता है, नहीं तो देयर आर नो चांसेस. सो ट्रेस होके मार्केट फॉल हुआ, फॉल होने के बाद इधर से मार्केट रिवर्ट कर दिया. यू डोंट नीड टू वरी बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट योर एंट्री पॉइंट. तो आप क्या करोगे? आप वेट करोगे तब तक ये लेवल ना ब्रेक हो जाए, एक न्यू लो ना फॉर्म हो जाए, और देन रिट्रेसमेंट में आप ट्रेड करो. नाउ इधर से मार्केट ऊपर गया, क्या हुआ? 50% लेवल को मार्केट ने ब्रेक कर दिया गाइस. क्या कर दिया? ब्रेक कर दिया. एंड देन मार्केट वेंट अप. दैट मीन्स ट्रेंड में चेंज आ गया, रिवर्सल आ रहा है ट्रेंड में, एंड देन मार्केट ने 50% में रिट्रेसमेंट दिया, एंड देयर यू गो, चेंज इन ट्रेंड. Simple technique. Fib retracement is one of the best tools I've ever come across, guys. It's better than a lot of indicators, Okay, I'm getting few messages. So this is what it is. And another update is, guys, this is the only type of recording I'll do. It's recording, yes. मैं इस तरह का ही recording करूँगा, क्योंकि live में जब recording करता हूँ, I get a lot of disturbance, and मैं ये नहीं चाहता हूँ कि मुझे disturbance हो YouTube की वजह से. So after my trade I'll record it and I'll then upload it. I'm more active on Instagram, Telegram. मेरा हर profit loss का trade Instagram पे जाता है, Telegram पे जाता है. So follow me there so that you get to learn a lot of things there. उधर भी आपको बहुत सीखने को मिलेगा. Link description में है, अभी click करके join करो. It is free of cost, and you can join my Telegram channel as well. In my Telegram channel I share daily updates, charts, analysis, and every single trader gets benefited from that because he'll get a different view and perspective, right? So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please like the video, and we'll see you again. So happy trading, guys. Bye bye.